Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about conductor, insulators and semiconductor. In this video we are talk about conductor, insulators, semiconductor. Let's start the In a physics, conductor means transfer of something. That something could be anything. It could be heat, it could be electricity. However, here we interested in electricity. In this context, we will use the word electrical conductor. So now, can we define it? The material which allow current to flow easily through them is known as conductor. This property of conductors that allow them to conduct electricity is known as conductivity. We can say that those solid which have high conductivity and low resistivity is called conductor. The resistivity of conductor depends on temperature, the material with which the conductor is made of. What are the examples of conductors? We can say copper, aluminium, silver, iron, gold, etc. are examples of conductors. Conductors are used to flow electric current. Now study a energy band diagram of conductor. In conductor there is no forbidden gap available. Valence band and conduction band overlap each other. The electrons from valence band freely enter in conduction band due to the overlapping of valence band and conduction band. In picture second, we see that through which material current is flowing in circuit. Yes, is the copper wire. Electric current is flowing through the copper wire from positive to negative terminal. We can say that copper wire is conductor of electricity. Did you know human body is also a conductor of electricity? In fact, it is a very good conductor. This is the reason why we get an electric shock if you not careful. Electric current flows through the body towards the earth. This is shown in picture third. Now, which are the material that do not conduct electricity? We can say the material which do not allow current to flow them is known as insulator, or those solid which have low conductivity and high resistivity. Examples of insulators are plastic, rubber, dry wood, glass, cotton. Do not conduct the electricity. These are example of insulators. Insulators are used to coating on electric wire. Now study energy band diagram of insulators. In this diagram we can see that in an insulator forbidden energy gap is very large. In general, forbidden energy gap is more than 6 electron volt and almost no electron available for conduction. Therefore, a very large amount of energy must be supplied to valence band electron to enable to move conduction band. If the electron is supplied with high energy, it can jump across the forbidden gap. When the temperature is increased, some electrons will move to the conduction band. This is the reason why certain materials which are insulators at room temperature become conductor at high temperature. Now, semiconductor. The material which do not allow current to flow easily through them like conductor and do not oppose current like insulator, this type of material is known as semiconductor. Those solids which have conductivity and resistivity in between conductor and insulators. Example of semiconductor, silicon and germanium. Semiconductors are used in electronic devices. In energy band diagram of semiconductor, we see that in semiconductor the forwarding gap is very small. Germanium and silicons are best example of semiconductors. The forwarding gap energy is order of 0.7 electron volt for germanium and 1.1 electron volt for silicon. There is no electrons in conduction band. The valency band completely filled at 0 degree Kelvin, and we can say that at 0 degree Kelvin semiconductor behave like insulator. With a small amount of energy supply, electron can easily jump valency band to conduction band. For example, if temperature increase, the forwarding gap decrease and some electrons are moved to conduction band. Conductivity of semiconductor increase with the temperature. This is important point. Now I show insulator in 3D diagram. Now you see in 3D diagram one example of insulators. Insulators are important in electronics because they keep us safe and prevents the electricity from damaging objects around it. I hope you understand well about conductor, insulator and semiconductor. This video help you to learn about this topic. Stay happy, stay safe. Goodbye.